Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your brand presence with Canva detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Canva and create an account if you don't have one yet. Log into your dashboard to start designing. Choose the type of graphic you want to create based on your brand's needs. Select either social media posts, presentations, or logos. Browse through the templates available for your chosen category. Pick a template that resonates with your brand's style and message. Click on the selected template to open it in the editor. Customize the template by changing the colors to match your brand palette. Adjust the fonts to align with your brand identity. Incorporate your brand logo if you have one, by uploading it to Canva. Increase your brand's recognition by adding consistent imagery. Use the Elements tab to find shapes, icons, or illustrations that fit your theme. Experiment with different layouts by dragging elements around the canvas. Ensure the design maintains balance and visual appeal. Add any text overlays that convey your brand's message clearly. Review your design for any spelling or grammatical errors. Preview how your design will look in its intended format. Once satisfied, click on the Download button to save your work. Select the appropriate file format you need for your design. Consider sharing your designs directly through Canva's sharing options. Utilize your upgraded graphics across all platforms consistently. Monitor engagement and feedback to refine your brand presence further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.